Child care centers can reopen in Kentucky on Monday, and while it's a day providers and parents have been waiting for during the pandemic, one director says there's still a lot of concern about the future of some daycare centers. LEX 18's Alex Valverde has more details as we continue our coronavirus coverage.
SmartBees Learning Center in Lexington is just one of many daycare centers across the state preparing to reopen. But Director Roa Gerard is worried some of the state's guidelines may actually lead to more closures. Specifically, the mandated ratio of 1 caretaker to 10 kids and no interaction between groups.
We cannot merge classrooms and children early in the morning. That means I have to have a teacher in every classroom by 7 o'clock. Me and a lot of other daycare owners, we had to reduce our hours because you cannot have the same teacher in the classroom 12 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Coming off of 3 months without income and now having to meet these payroll needs, Gerard says centers could take a financial hit. And she also says some of the families won't be returning because they had to find alternatives during the closure.
Talking with other directors and owners, it's going to be a huge loss monthly. So we are definitely going to be seeing a lot of centers closures if they have not already closed.
Now, daycare centers have received state funding, and Gerard says she and others are waiting for more to become available.
They are forced to open daycare centers simply because without them, parents are not allowed to go back, aren't able to go back to work. So I really hope that we will get more funding from the state.
Now, despite the concerns, Gerard says she is very much looking forward to seeing most of her kids return to the center next week when it reopens on Monday. And there will be some health and safety measures taken when it reopens. For instance, parents and kids will have to get their temperature checked every time they enter the building. And while masks are not required, parents of children that are ages 5 or older can request that their kid wears a mask while they're at the center. Back to you.